Imagine stepping outside your home and being greeted by a stunning patio. Not just a backyard, but a personal retreat where you can relax, host friends, or enjoy quiet evenings. In this video, I'll show you how to transform your patio into a stylish outdoor oasis, whether you're working with a small budget or ready to go big on design. Stay with me until the end because I'll be sharing some of my favorite design hacks and affordable products that can instantly elevate your space. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and check the links in the description where I've listed some of the best patio furniture and accessories you can get at no extra cost to you. Every great design begins with a vision. Ask yourself, what do I want this space to feel like? Maybe you imagine a cozy retreat, a family dining corner, or a luxurious lounge for entertaining. Start by measuring your space. Even the smallest patios can shine with the right layout. Create simple zones, a place to sit, a spot for dining, maybe even a fire pit corner. Think about sunlight and shade. Notice where the sun lands during the day. That detail alone will guide where to place chairs, plants, or even a pergola. And always remember, your patio should flow naturally with your home style, whether that's rustic, modern, minimalist, or Mediterranean. The foundation sets the tone. You can choose with decking if you want warmth and a natural feel. Stone pavers bring timeless elegance. Stamped concrete gives you durability and creative patterns that mimic expensive materials. If you're on a budget, even a simple outdoor rug can define your space beautifully. Textures and colors matter. They balance comfort with style. I've linked some affordable patio rugs and tiles in the description that can transform your outdoor space instantly. Furniture is the heart of your patio. For smaller areas, go for space-saving pieces like foldable chairs, compact benches, or modular seating with hidden storage. If you have more room, sectionals or a mix of lounge chairs create a warm and inviting vibe. A simple 4-seater dining table can completely shift the mood of your space. And here's a quick pro tip. Think vertical. Hanging shelves, wall planters, or even a string of lights can draw the eye upward, making the space feel bigger and more dynamic. I've also dropped some of my top picks for budget-friendly outdoor sets in the description, from wicker chairs to modern dining tables. Lighting is where the magic happens. Picture string lights twinkling across the evening sky, solar lanterns glowing softly on the ground, or subtle LED strips tucked under your furniture. Lighting doesn't just brighten a space. It creates atmosphere. Hosting a dinner under warm lights or curling up with a book in that soft glow can completely change how you feel in the space. Mix it up. Use overhead lights, task lights, and accent lights together for a layered effect. Now comes the part where your personality shows through. Add color with outdoor cushions and throw pillows. Bring freshness with planters and greenery. A fire pit adds warmth and togetherness, while a water feature introduces calm and luxury. Don't forget about functional decor. Side tables, stylish umbrellas, and storage benches are as practical as they are beautiful. This is where you get to decide if you want boho vibes with lanterns and textures, or sleek minimalism with clean, simple lines. And just like that, you've taken your patio from an empty outdoor space to a personal oasis. From the planning stage, to your foundation, to furniture, lighting, and decor, every layer brings it closer to your dream space. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share with a friend who's thinking of refreshing their patio. Don't forget to check the links below for all the products I recommend. Using those links doesn't cost you anything extra, but supports this channel, so I can keep bringing you more design inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see the outdoor oasis you create. Until next time, keep designing your dream life, one space at a time.